Hi everyone, in this video I'll demonstrate how to easily turn off comments on a Facebook post. Make sure to watch till the end to avoid any mistakes, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Let's dive in. Open your Facebook app and create a post. Ensure that the private settings for your post are set to public to enable the option to turn comments on or off. After composing your post, tap on the audience selector to switch the private settings to public. Share your post by tapping on the share button. Navigate to your profile page and scroll down to find the post you want to manage comments for. Tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the post. Select who can comment on this post. To access comment settings, choose from options like public, friends, and established. Follow some friends of profile and pages you mentioned to customize who can comment on your post. If you are unable to see the option to manage comments, ensure that the post private settings is set to public. If not, edit the post private to make it public, refresh the page, and then proceed to manage comments. And there you have it. That's how you can easily turn off on comments on your Facebook post. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Thanks for watching.